What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I figured we would be going through the brand new Lil Baby sample pack that we released. It's called Baby Baby 4. There's 20 original new melody compositions with their stems and MIDI. So you guys are getting the MIDI, you guys are getting the high quality wave stems, and everything is BPM and key labeled. So I got a clean new FL Studio session pulled up. Figured we'll go inside some of the samples that are in this pack for you guys to check out. So I'm just gonna grab a few random ones and then drag them in. If you guys want to check out the whole sample playthrough, I'll put a link to that down in the description down below. Let's pick maybe 4. Alright, so let's listen through these 4. Just to let you guys know, there's 20, so these are just 4 out of the 20. So if you like what you guys hear, then be sure to check out the other ones in the pack. So this one's called Chain Gang. Violins, strings, piano, and a bass line. Boomin', 808s, cut bells, holiday bells, and piano. Pretty fire. Switchblade. 808s, bells, and piano. Bassline, piano, and strings. So let's go ahead and cook up with Soulless. So I'm just picking out. So I'm structuring it. Alt-T is how to get the cursor. Let's get the drums going. Can I delete selected? Alt-Delete. So I'm picking out the kick pattern because I'm gonna just copy the pattern for the 808s. I'm also gonna go back to that Baby to Baby sample pack, grab the MIDI for the bass line, just to help us get the right keys and everything. So Control A, Control L, A, C. So I'm gonna go down. So I'm just adjusting these 808s. Got everything in key, we just need to shift it, and I don't know about this sample, it's just a little bit too low. Like this sounds too high, but then an octave down it just sounds a little too muddy. So let's swap out that 808 again. Let's try this one. No. Try this one. Try this one. So maybe if I do like down, maybe like a little like 808 like bounce drill bounce. Bum 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 bum. Maybe if we that's cool. It's not bad. Now if we now let's turn around. Now let's add some hi-hats here. Let me try this one. Select these, drag that over. Pretty cool. Lol. Add some percussive elements now. Adding some master stuff just to give it that final polish, but we're pretty much already almost there. I need to just structure it all out, kind of give it that basic structure. A little stereo. Pull it down. Pull it all down. Definitely a Lil Baby beat. So I just need to copy all of these elements. Do it like this, shift, boom. Oh, then I grab these. And then let's add the outro. I'm gonna save the beat. Let's call it Solace. And you know, I really just need to add a tag and that's it. Probably this is our 4th Lil Baby sample pack, so we definitely have the best Lil Baby sample packs for producers to make Lil Baby inspired beats. And yeah, highly recommend it for any producer looking to get that Lil Baby sound. What am I looking for again? Oh yeah, my tag. Sound kit.
Beat it AT.
So yeah, this is how you can make a Lil Baby type beat. This is the best and newest Lil Baby sample pack that we have released, the AT Baby to Baby 4. We just released this August 25th of 2021. So if you're watching it and it's around this date, then that probably means we don't have any other new Lil Baby sample packs out yet, but we do have more in the work. So if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and play the full beat that I cooked up with this sample pack. If you guys want the other sample packs or drum kits that I used to cook this fire beat, I'll put the links to them down in the description down below. This is Andrew of Beat AT Production and Publishing, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment what you think, and subscribe.
Beat it AT, what up?